Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ankita and today I'm going to share with you people this amazing makeup look which is perfect for the nighttime celebration of Karwa Chauth. I've tried to accessorize it as beautifully as I can. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed this video. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So as always, let's start with a clean skin and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bio oil. Now I tried to do it the Instagrammer style and it was a complete fail. It's a nighttime makeup look, so no need for sunscreen. I'm directly going ahead with my moisturizer post bio oil. Bio oil is like an essential for me. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. This is a powder finish foundation. This will reduce the need for a compact on an entire face. Now I like to apply products that are like multifunctional. That's why the powder foundation, because every step if you can reduce, then it is like it can save you some time that you can give it to your family. Concealer is Milani's concealer itself. The foundation was even from Milani and the concealer is even from Milani. It's full coverage concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, the concealer up with the LA Girl Pro HD setting powder, and I'm going to take the darker shade of the same powder and I'm going ahead and bronzing up my face. Now at the night time, if you want, you can go ahead a little bit striking with your bronzing up if you people want to. It's not a big deal, but I personally, as I mentioned earlier in the intro section to you people as well, I just wanted things that are capable of saving time. So it just blends perfectly, it's easier. Now I'm taking a palette, it's a blush palette from Freedom Pro, and I'm going ahead and applying a highlighter to highlight the natural higher points of the face. It just looks beautiful, it gives a nice reflection and sheen to your face. And like nose contouring and highlighting is a ritual for me. I'm not a regular getting ready type of a person, but when I do, I try to make sure that my nose is looking a little bit better so that the pictures could come in right. So I'm going ahead and contouring and highlighting my nose as well. Now I'm going to take a very lighter shade of blush and blend my highlighter and contour with the help of blusher. This is a nice neat trick that I do and it gives me a perfect flawless finish. For eyebrows, I am using the Balm Meet Matte palette, the deepest shade, the darkest brown shade from the palette. I am grooming my brows with the help of the same. I always try to start working from the tail end of my brow or the highest point of my brow and then proceed towards the tail end, and whatever is left on the brush is used in the front part of the brows. Now match the brows to the notch. Now I'm going ahead with a lipstick. Now this is like, it was quite obvious I was going to apply a deeper red shade of lipstick. It just looks perfect. It gives that binded up look, and the sindoor and all stuff like that. It all looks together very nice. It gives a monochromatic type of an effect. Now I'm going to go ahead towards the eye. For eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Huda Beauty shadow palette, and I have started for the transition. I am using the orange shade from the palette. I'm sorry, I don't remember the names of the shades of the palette and I don't have the palette in my hand at the moment, but still I can guide you and I have showed you every time whatever shade I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and slowly build up my crease. You need to make sure that the process is quite slow. You need to give it some time, and it's only the eye makeup that is left, so I'm just gonna take my time with it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this red what do you call it, eyeshadow, I'm sorry. I'm gonna use this red shadow, and because it's a nighttime look, I wanted it to be a little bit dramatic, so I'm extending my outer V a little bit. I'm being a little bit reckless with this red shade, if you know what I mean, or if you can feel what I'm trying to do at the moment. So I'm just trying to extend my eye shape a little bit. That is the reason why I have extended my brows a bit as well. Now I'm taking a bigger blending brush and I'm simply going ahead and take this brown shade, tap off the excess, and I'm simply going to be a little bit more reckless, extend the red shade towards the outer side, deepen the outer corner a little bit more to give myself that festive smoked out look. Literally, I was quite amazed that after so many days I am doing a makeup look like this, and I was like, it turned out really nice. Now I'm taking the highlighting shade. This is the second duochrome shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying it into the inner corner and inner 1/3 of the lid, extending it to the inner 1/3, and then I am using this golden shade, rose gold shade from the top of the corner. Like previously I used the bottom rose gold. Now I'm using the top rose gold shade, and I am applying it onto the lid portion that is connecting the highlighting and the outer V section with the help of this shade. This is going to be the top shade. It's just it's beautiful. It looked really very amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner. Now for eyeliner, I did went ahead a little bit more dramatic than I would have wanted to be, but it was looking nice. It fell into place with the makeup look, so it was okay. Types. So here you can see I'm just going ahead and stretching the eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Faces, and the tip of the eyeliner brush is really amazing. So it helps you draw your liner lines perfectly. It's just amazing. It's just really very easy and simple to use. So here you can see I have went ahead and applied the eyeliner. Now for time for mascara, for which I am using the Color Bars Zoom and Whoosh Lashes Mascara, and I'm using the zoom part of it, or the broader part of the mascara wand, and I'm just simply going ahead and grooming my eyelashes with the help of it. Grooming your lashes can turn out the entire makeup look, so just don't skip on the part. Go ahead and groom your lashes as beautifully as you possibly can, and with that, this makeup look will come to an end. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do some accessorizing. So here you can see I have went ahead and applied a bindi, I have applied sindoor. These are all just basic necessary things. I have changed into my lehenga. Here is my chuda. I use meaning chuda, and the neck piece and earrings are just amazing. And all of this will together combine and make that beautiful makeup look that I showed you in the beginning. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed this video. I am really very happy for you all. Happy Karwa Chauth, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.